Are you new to Canada and a PR holder and want to explore sites and attractions in Canada for free? Well, here is Canoo app for you, not just for PR holders but also for new Canadian citizens. Registering with Canoo provides free entry to some of the free sites and attractions in Canada for 1 year. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shyam with Explore with Shyam, and today I'm going to talk about the Canoo app and how it's going to benefit the PR holders and the Canadian citizens. So let's start. So the Canoo app is a mobile app that helps new permanent residents and Canadian citizens celebrate their new adventure in Canada by granting free entry around the nation for 1 year. Canoo members have access to approximately 1,400 museums, science centers, art galleries, parks, historical sites and other attractions. When booking tickets for events, please check the special instructions and partner websites. Some events are limited tickets per Canoo members. The app provides free access to new permanent residents within the first 5 years. Permanent residents must download and register on the Canoo app within 5 years of the start of their permanent residence status, as well as new Canadian citizens within their first year. Canadian citizens must download and register on the app before the 1 year anniversary of their citizenship ceremony. You are eligible for Canoo if you are above the age of 18. Once you activate the membership, you, the Canoo member, and up to 4 children under the age of 18 will have free access every time you visit a venue with the Canoo app. Canoo membership does not entitle you to free entrance for your spouse, children over the age of 18, friends or other family members. In order to sign up, you will either need your PR card or citizenship certificate. The Canoo app is available for free on the App Store and Google Play. So now I'll be guiding you on how the Canoo app works. So let's start it. Click on search, type in Canoo, and you see the second option. Click on that and you see the first option here. You download the Canoo app from here. Then you open. It will either tell you to send you the notification, so it's up to you if you want to allow or disallow. I will allow. Then you see Canoo into Canada. So if you are a new member, you click on become a member. Here it shows you how does it work. So you select your current status. Are you either a permanent resident or a Canadian citizen? And then you press continue. So it's gonna ask you for your email address. I'll put in my email address. I'll agree to the terms and conditions and press next. It's gone to my email. They verified the email, so let's continue now. They'll say welcome to the Canoo, new friend. You press next. Now they'll ask you to give permission either to scan your PR card or the citizenship certificate. After scanning your PR card or your citizenship certificate, you just need to follow the next step, which is your name and all the necessary details. You will get a notification that they will check your eligibility and send you an email once you've met the requirements. Once you receive the email, you're good to check into your favorite destinations in Canada. So let that be fast now. Hope you guys like the video, so do like, share and subscribe, and also comment down below if there's anything you want to know about the app, and I will definitely answer the questions. And you can also message me on Instagram, and I will put the link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching the video. Till then, take care and bye bye.